All right, guys, so we're going to demonstrate how to tape someone who's sustained an MCL injury, so a ligament injury on the inside of their knee. To start off, I'll get Tiana to place her heel on the tape, and that'll ensure that her knee starts in that 30 degrees of knee flexion. Today, we're going to be using the 38mm of the GoLevita rigid tape, but for someone with skin sensitivity, you can consider laying down some Hyperfix just through your anchor points here. So we're going to start with 2 anchor points. I like to do just around about halfway through the thighs and about down a third of the thigh. One at the top. And then one sort of upper calf. Just be careful you don't go all the way around the calf or all the way around the thigh, as you want unrestricted blood flow throughout. So the MCL lies through medial joint line, and essentially you're just trying to give it a bit of support by laying a few stirrups of tape. So a couple of crosses, and then one straight over that MCL. And depending on how much support the patient requires, you can just layer that through a couple more times. And to reinforce that all, we're going to use the GoLevita EAB, just to lock it all in place and to provide a bit of extra support. So we come around and essentially just follow all the rigid tape that we've laid down. Again, you can go around a couple of times, just overlapping the tape. Once that's done, cut off the tape and just make sure you lock it down with some rigid, just to lock it off.